Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxyluxe subscription for summer 2020. Let's begin. Okay. Let's see. So, they usually send out a card each month with the theme and all the products are inside and their prices. So let's begin. The first item that I see here is this Bodyography lip pencil 2-pack. And let's see. Oh, and by the way, my variation number for this box is 8. Variation number 8. And the theme is the Oasis. So let's see. So this lip pencil set retails for $28. Let's see what the colors look like. So there's Pouty and Rosewood, 2 colors in here. Okay, this one does not want to come out. Okay. Oops, looks like the case got stuck in there. Okay. So the color of this one is Pouty. This light nude pinky color, and the next color is Rosewood, and it's more of this vampy darker color. Okay. Okay, the next item are these Lily Lashes XXX mascara, and this retails for $24. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay. The next item is this Tarteus Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. And this, I believe everyone should be getting this in their box for summer Boxyluxe. And this retails for $49. Has a card that tells you how to use the products, eyeshadows, different ways that you can wear them. Okay. And this does come with a mirror, but these are all the colors. 16 of them are mattes, and 4 of them have shimmers and duochromes. So let's see what colors they have. This is this bluish duochrome, first color. That's a shimmer, it shifts to a brown. This next one, this bronzy color, it's pretty. Then this light gold, it's pretty. And this more of a bronzy color. Those are really pretty colors. And those are just the shimmers. Let's try out this matte over here. They seem to be very creamy and beautiful colors. Okay, let's move on. The next item that I see in here is this $1 Billion Brushes charcoal brush set. And let's see, the retail value for these are $55. And there should be 5 brushes in here. So this is the contour brush, has the name of it on there. This is supposed to be an eyeshadow brush, concealer brush. This is supposed to be a highlighter brush. Even though it looks too small to be a highlighting brush, you could use it as a blender for the crease and eyeshadow. And this is a powder brush. Okay, those are the 5 brushes in there. The next item is also a product that should have been in everyone's Boxyluxe subscription, which is this Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. And this product retails for $24. And this is what it looks like. Okay. The next item is this Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. And this product retails for $55. Propolis is good for so many things, so it's exciting to have it in skincare as well. Looks to be a Korean brand, maybe, because this is in Korean. Yeah, it is made in Korea. Interesting. Looks like a great new brand. Oh, and also comes with the spatula to put on the mask on your face. The next item in the box is this Purely's BB cream with SPF 30. And this product retails for $35. This is the full-sized item. And this is in the color light. Yes. And the last item in the box is this Swell stainless steel water bottle, which has 17 ounces that it can carry. And this item retails for $35. So this is what it looks like. And it did say on there that it is hand painted, so that's cool. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. And that's the last item in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.